I am Dr. Lent, and welcome to Educational Psychology and Human Development. I wanted to give you just a brief orientation about how the class is set up, and then direct you to the other resources and the quiz that you'll take after completing all of the readings, and then you can start week 1. So I hope that you had a great break and you're looking forward to the semester. So hopefully you found this tab that said Read Me First. Every week in the news feed is where I will be posting a short video that explains what we'll be doing each week. It'll open at 8 a.m. every Monday, and I encourage you to just spend a couple of minutes to watch that video. I'll highlight what's due and when it's due and try to go into a little more depth to explain assignments, and that'll be a great help. And sometimes I may even offer bonus points for watching it. So it only takes a couple of minutes, and it'll be right here every Monday for you. So in this Read Me First section, I encourage you to read these sections. This explains a little bit about me. This is how to contact me. The best way is through email and D2L, and I've got that link there. I also have an office phone, and my office information is on there if you ever need to come by. This just kind of explains how to be successful in the course. And then this just explains academic integrity. So just make sure that the work that you submit is your own and that it's of high quality. And then here is where you'll find the different syllabi for the course. So we actually have 3 different sections in this class. Some of you are enrolled in the educational psychology class, and you are in DFW section. So you're enrolled in the Flower Mound campus. And then some of you are in 3803, which is for non-education majors. But we will have pretty much the same content. This is just a little bit different as far as the description of the course, but everything else is pretty much the same. So important information is here, how to contact me. Again, this is my email. This is the textbook that you'll need for the class, so just be sure that you go ahead and get that on order. And then here's my office hours if you ever want to schedule an online meeting, or if you are on campus and want to come by. And then you can read all the other requirements. Most importantly, what you're going to be completing in the class. These are all brief descriptions of the different activities and assignments that are going to be available throughout the semester. So spend some time reading through all of that. And then the other thing that'll be important is this assignment schedule. So this explains when everything is due throughout the semester. I would highly recommend printing this off so that you have it available to you and you can kind of keep up with things that are due. I recommend getting online every Monday. I mean, getting online once a day would be even better. But definitely get on every morning, watch the orientation video to make sure you can kind of plan out your week. What I do is I set a day each week to make sure that I am doing what I'm, so that I can kind of get organized and do what I'm supposed to for the week as far as grading or putting you in groups or checking something. So just be sure that you do that too. My promise to you is that I will log on every day by noon, Monday to Friday. So I'll get on and check discussion boards and check email every morning, usually probably around 8:30. But definitely by noon because I teach a 9:30 to 11 class. And I'll answer emails or discussion boards. And then on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, I'll get on at least once. It may be Saturday evening, it may be Sunday morning or something. So if you send an email at 3 p.m. on a Thursday, I probably won't get to it until that next morning. Same thing if you send it at 3 p.m. on a Friday, I may not get to it until Sunday or Saturday morning. So just kind of keep that in mind. So if you do have questions, again, you can go to communication and email. You can email classmates. You can email me here. And then if you do have a question like a link's not working or something, you can't figure out where to find something, or maybe the due date is incorrect, then you can click here on discussions and you can go to this course questions. And this is where I recommend you going to post any questions. Obviously, if you have a question about your grade or something, email me. But if it's a general class question, then that's the place that I want you to post it, because then I don't get 20 emails all on the same question. And if I'm not able to get to your question quickly, maybe there's a classmate who can help you. So first, if you have a question, watch the weekly video, look back through the course schedule and the syllabus, because that might answer your questions. Then post a question here, but if it's more personal in nature, then obviously send me an email. So going back to the content, the final thing you'll do in this Read Me First tab is to take your course orientation quiz. So you have to pass it with 100% in order to open up the content of the class, which just ensures to me that you have read everything and have an understanding of everything before the class is available to you. So hopefully you'll have a chance to kind of go through all that and open up the content for the week. So post in the course questions if you have any questions, and I hope that this was helpful. Looking forward to a great semester. Thank you.